So I think we should start now. It's already 8:05. And welcome Sunil to the class. Thank you so much.
Communicate. We are supposed to have a great dialogue here, all right? And don't just come.
Some of us, we have this understanding of artificial intelligence. We just think that
the importance of culture, and we will be picking up few cases where we will understand that how these cultural
you see in the evolution of artificial intelligence here, AI did not suddenly
Now understand that it is not something that you are using that specific application just only once. It's a recurring that
may create a very negative approach for your organization.
Another business, okay? That you must understand. And then following that is
we have the governance.
So, what do you feel about the basic challenge to use AI into healthcare industry? What's your first impression on that?
As rightly mentioned, the credibility as well as the the confidentiality of
the doctor experts, so they can AI can suggest. In fact,
how to market a product and services in such a way that, let's say,
But I think for me it's about how organizations create value, about how they compete, how they make strategic decisions, how they respond to changes in their